Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use multiple target points on Tradovate. So to do this, you'll have to go up to the settings here, advanced trading methods. So here we can create a custom ATM name. So say target 2. So here there'll be a plus sign and we can press that. So the idea of this is that we can set two different targets. So say that I wanted my first trade to be 2 contracts. And here we can set the take profit and stop loss as we would for the first target. And then say that once this order has been filled, I still want to be trading, but I want to be trading at half of the contract size that I was on the first target. So once this has been reached, so say that we reach 2 ticks of profit, this order will cancel and take the profit. Then this order will continue to engage but with only 1 contract. And say for the second one, we want a stop loss. We still want 2 ticks stop loss, but I want my profit. But I want my tick target to be 10. So it can stay active for longer. It's half the risk. So I don't mind it being on as long. So we can select that and press save. Oh, make sure you press on. So when you press on, save it, then you will see on the cell, you can see my stop loss of 2 ticks below, and then my take profit of 2 ticks above, and then when it has reached that, you will see the 10 ticks above, there will be the next take profit up there. So that is the idea of it, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.